That's all right.
I got a good fixer-upper pickup truck.
You probably got a big old boat too.
Yeah.
That's efficient. All right, guys and gals, like I said, we're ready to go. We're going to start looking at high-end used car lots and low-end car lots. And what you see in this video is what you get. We don't have a lot of control over the lighting. We're not professional camera people by any means. But what I'm trying to show you is what we're running into. You see basically live. And if I could shoot this video live, I would. But at this present time, that's not going to happen. So just keep your eyes peeled on this video as we go. Put up with this, and you're going to learn some stuff. You're going to be able to use those videos again that we have shown you over the years, how to take a vehicle and turn it into big money for you and your family. Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool tricking, amazing ways for fun things and what have you. I'm pretty excited today. We're actually doing the second part of our series on how to make money refurbing cars using our videos, and we're out right now going to be hitting some of the lots to look for good deals. That's what we're looking for. And as you can see right here on my left is some of the remnants left over from Hurricane Sally. So we're not even fully cleaned up here in Pensacola, but we're gonna go to many different car lots. This is part of the fun of it, and you can involve your family, your kids with you. You can involve your wife or however, and girls, if you want to do this and make extra money, you can do it. And as I said, we're going to be hitting a lot of them. There's no particular lot that we're going to be buying from. We're just looking for the best deal. We're not by any means stuck on one particular vehicle. We're not stuck on any dealership. As far as I'm concerned, the best deal is what matters. So we are on a kind of a thorough way where most of the used car dealers are. This one here is a pretty big one, so we're just going to wander around a little bit and see what we can find. Like I said, it doesn't really matter. We're just looking for a good deal. We may be looking for something that needs a lot of work, a lot of cleanup, a lot of stains in the carpeting and in the seating, but this is the actual beginning of this series, and it's not about anything else other than showing you how to buy a vehicle. And you can even use this for your own vehicle, because we're going to be using a lot of our videos that we have shown you over the years, over 600 of them, to be able to refurb these cars into a money-making deal for you and your family. So let's take a look. We'll go across the street over here real quick and see what we can do. But like I said, we're going to try to keep these videos down to 10 minutes or less. If we don't, oh well, not much we can do. So let's go this way, Carmela. All right, now we're gonna go take a look at some of these trucks down through here that are all over this way. They're all look newer and what have you, but that's the way it is. The salesman behind me just came up and asked us if we needed anything, and I told him we're just looking. We got a lot of looking to do. You don't want to be pressured into anything. Of course, that's how it goes. So let's take a look down here. Now, of course, you probably know that it's going to take 10 to 15 to 20 to 25,000 to buy one of these vehicles right here. I mean, if we go up and look at this one right here, this one's already been detailed and cleaned up. It's got tire shine on it, all that. Way more than we want to spend. And this is more of a high-end used car lot. We're not looking for that type of vehicle. We're looking for something like $5,000 and less. So if we see the salesman, we're going to ask him if he has vehicles like that around here. So, all right, it's kind of funny because when I told you don't buy vehicles that you like because you'll get caught up in that, like that Mercedes right there, I would love to buy that because I think it's cool looking, and I'd probably look pretty cool driving it around. I'm just kidding you. But that's where you've got to take yourself out of it. Okay, now this older Toyota that's right here, we could probably get that for 10 to 15,000, but we're not into that. Again, we've got to keep our price range. I don't want to spend more than $5,000. All right, let's look over here. Usually they put the older vehicles to the back. That's the kind of lot that we might want to go to. here's a Honda. We know that the lower the year, it's an 08, the less money it's going to cost. So that's kind of starting to perk my attention a little bit right now. We have another one called the Car Place. Now I'm looking at vehicles there that are even less, possibly because of the age of them. I can tell by looking at them, they look a little older. Let's walk over here to this car just for instance. All right, now on this vehicle right here, it's obviously older. You can see the paint peeling off the bumper cover, and that's the kind of thing we're looking for. You see how yellowed the headlights are? Perfect for one of our videos. So we've got a lot of searching around to do. Now we're going to pan back over here and see what they've got. I don't see any trucks. Extremely hard to find pickup trucks because they're so popular. And I don't see anything over here. We're going to walk further down and then cut around through here. Now if I wasn't shooting the video, it would be a lot easier for me to do this because I would just wander in, start looking around, find out what caught my attention. Okay, nothing there. Let's go over here. See, then there's a little BMW right there that I would love to buy and redo. But then you got a car back there. It looks like it says 500 bucks on it. Let's wander down here. And I imagine this video is probably going to be over 10 minutes, but sorry about that. But this is the fun part. Toyota, big sellers. And again, I will bring up the fact of the matter is you don't see pickup trucks. They're so user friendly because everybody needs one. So, but that's what we're kind of looking for. If we can't find a pickup truck, we're going to find a vehicle that needs some love so we can make some money. All right, now here's a vehicle. Back up a little bit there. Got a jet flying in. More people coming in to buy pickup trucks on that jet up there. Now this is where I would suffer again because I love these SF Chevys, Trailblazers. I love those with the 6 liters in them. Love that. And again, we do a little bit of work to it, fix up the little spots on it like that. Tires look good. Now here's some on the side here. There's our salesman down there. Here's some on the side here that may need a little more work than we need.
What can I do for you?
I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
And we're a car fixer. Carm, you don't mind being on the camera?
No, I don't mind.
All right. We're fixing up cars on YouTube. We got about 400,000 subscribers.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for a vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
And this is where you come in, you get a good salesman like this, folks. This is what you do. I'm looking for a vehicle like $5,000 or less.
Okay.
I want a pickup truck because, as you know, nobody has pickup trucks because everybody wants them.
Yep.
Everybody's got to have them.
Yep.
My name's Mike, by the way.
Mm-hmm. I'm Fish.
What's that?
Fish.
Fish. This is Fish, and I'm Mike. That's all right.
I got a good fixer-upper pickup truck.
You probably got a big old boat, too.
Yeah.
Does some fishing. So, we're looking for a vehicle somewhere around 5,000. We can go higher if it means that, like this Toyota Camry behind me, it's got some peeling clear coat, folks. You guys all know about that. We've done videos on how to repair that, and we want to buy from a smaller dealership, and we want to find a good deal that we can do these videos, do a video on, put all our videos that we've done in repairs into that car to show them they can take something that's a little bit rough and make it better without a lot of mechanical issues. I mean, you know, the detailing, the cleaning, the spot removal of stains and that kind of thing, brake jobs, that kind of thing. We're good. So,
Okay.
You got any pickup trucks? Let's start there.
Well, I do have one that needs an engine.
Needs an engine.
Yeah.
All right, is it here?
Yeah, it's over
Let's
here.
go take a look at a pickup truck that needs an engine. We're gonna go fishing with fish, okay? All right. I like this guy already, folks. You get a good salesman, you feel comfortable with him right out of the gate. All right, so you guys all know that Nissan and the Toyota Tundra are popular trucks. They're very popular trucks. What's the matter with the engine, Fish?
Blew a piston out the side.
Blew a piston out of the side of it, so there's no welding that back in, all right? Well, we're going to get right down to brass tacks. Fish, what would it take to buy that?
$2,000 cash.
$2,000 cash. Hear that, folks?
I could get an engine for about $850.
You can get an engine for about $850. All right, let's go up and take a look at it and see what we can do here.
Let me get the key, guys, so you can at least get inside it. Okay?
All right, thank you. All right, $2,000 cash. And as you can see, it's got some denting here. Would take a new fender. This is a pretty radical repair, all right? Pretty radical. See, the window up here was taped, obviously to keep the glass from coming down. This is going to be way rougher than we want to deal with. All right. Tires, they're about quarter of what they should be. And as you see, because it's most likely a Floridian car, there's no rust on it. And that's a big thing. But we've got body work that needs to be done. We're going to get the information on this. We're going to find out what this actually, the value of this truck is. So that if we did do an 850 motor, have it put in or whatever, what could we make money on it later on? So once he comes out with the keys, we'll take a look at it and see where we're at. But let's take a walk around it. All right, it's pretty rough, but for $2,000, once we find out the year and we run the information on it to find out what it's actually worth, and would it be beneficial to us to be able to do that? Or should we buy a car like this, okay? Ford Focus, if I'm not mistaken. Tires are bald, and a billiard ball right here. This is what we're talking about. You want to make sure you don't get that right there. Oh, nice.
There you go.
All right, he's getting it unlocked for us to see, so we can take a look around on the inside. Now, what year is this, Fish?
This is 04.
This is a 2004 four-wheel drive, right?
This is nuts.
It's a two-wheel drive. No rust on it because it's a Floridian vehicle, obviously. Come on up here. Let's go around in there. You might have to hit the color on it when you get in there. Take a look at the interior. All right, now what we're looking at is things that we can fix to make this vehicle better than it is now. The seats look in pretty good shape. We got a little spot here we can fix up. Needs a good cleaning, but you see this down here? This is what we're talking about when we're talking about cleaning. Let's take a look in the back. Now we're going to be jumping around on this video a lot, guys, gals. And the lighting we can't do anything about. We're kind of doing this live. So this kind of gives you what we're going to be doing over the next few weeks here and finding the right vehicles.